In this video, I'll show you how to fix the LinkedIn network will be back soon error. If you see this message on LinkedIn, it usually means the website or app is having trouble loading properly. This can happen because of a weak internet connection, browser issues, app problems, sign-in errors, or sometimes a temporary problem on LinkedIn's side. The first thing to do is refresh the page if you're on desktop, or close and reopen the app if you're on mobile. Sometimes the error is only temporary and disappears after a quick reload. If that doesn't fix it, sign out of LinkedIn and sign in again. Next, test your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. If possible, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or the other way around, just to see whether the issue is related to your network. A weak or unstable connection can easily cause loading problems. If you are using LinkedIn in a browser, clear your cache and cookies. Then reopen the browser and try again. You can also test LinkedIn in another browser like Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Edge. Sometimes the issue is caused by saved data or browser settings. If you are on the mobile app, check for updates in the App Store or Play Store. An outdated version of the app may not work correctly. You can also close the app and restart your phone. Another useful thing to check is your device's date and time settings. If those are incorrect, sign-in and connection features may not work properly. Also, if you use a VPN, ad blocker, or strict privacy tool, try disabling it for a moment to see whether it is interfering with LinkedIn. If the problem continues, try resetting your password, especially if LinkedIn seems to be treating it like a login issue. And if LinkedIn tells you your account is restricted, complete any verification steps it asks for. So to fix the network will be back soon error, refresh LinkedIn, restart the app, check your internet, clear browser data, update the app, and review your login and verification settings. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.